Well, hello and welcome once again. Thank you for joining me on this video channel. My name is Peter Waters and my ham radio call sign is Golf 3 Oscar Juliet Victor. You know, at Milton Keynes we've now established the largest warehouse full of ham radio gear in the UK. We've got 3 warehouses crammed full of all sorts of ham radio and communication equipment. And we are aiming to get that gear out to you very, very quickly indeed. And in the last month or so, we've speeded up our dispatch to the point where we can usually offer 24-hour delivery. So if you're in the market for something, whether it's an accessory or a new transceiver, whatever, we'll get that out to you very, very quickly indeed. We've also introduced something called the bundle deal. There's a sign up there. The bundle deal, get that right, appears against many of the popular products. So if you're thinking of buying a new transceiver or a receiver or something like that, or a handheld, then go onto our website and check out, because there's likely to be a bundle deal. So save some money there. I'm talking about saving money. Yaesu just announced their new cashback for the summer. So let's take a look at that. Now the Yaesu cashback runs until the 31st of July, so you've got 1.5 months to decide what you want. And I should mention that the cashback also applies if we're doing a bundle deal on something. So if we're doing a bundle deal on an item, then you also get your cashback. And also, if you want to, you can do part exchange. So there's 3 options there. Well, not options, there's 3 consecutive deals you can do. You can do bundle deal, you can do the cashback, and you can do part exchange. So check it out. So let's take a look now at the items that are qualifying for the Yaesu cashback. First on the list is the Yaesu FT710 HF transceiver up to 4 meters. It's my favourite. I use the AES version, which is also available as a cashback item. And both these transceivers, you get £85 discount, effectively £85 back from Yaesu UK when you purchase them. So that's the Yaesu FT710 Field and the Yaesu 710 AESS, which is the one that you get the extra speaker with. Next on the list is the Yaesu Shack in a Box, the FT991A. It covers 160 meters right up to 70 sems. It's been a favourite for those that want just one rig on the desk, but to cover all the bands, including the VHF and UHF bands. It's a great radio. How much do you save on this radio? You've guessed it, £85. So if you're stuck for space, operating from a small room or whatever, and you want just one radio, this probably is one to put at the top of your list, the FT991A. Plus you get a part exchange deal from us as well, and a great part exchange deal. Check it out. The Yaesu FT891 is also on the cashback list. This one we're doing some bundle deals on, so check our website to see the bundle deals that are available with the FT891. And if you want to, do a part exchange as well. The cashback on this is £40. But you get a radio that covers 160 meters through to 6 meters, 100 watts out, and it's very, very compact radio. It's ideal for mobile or portable operation, the FT891. Check it out. Are you, or perhaps your club, looking for a VHF or UHF repeater? Then take a look at the Yaesu DR2XE repeater. There's a massive £290 cashback currently on this repeater. So if you're looking to install a repeater, this may be just the time. Take a look. Yaesu have recently updated their FTM 500 transceiver to the FTM 510. It's their most popular dual band mobile transceiver, covering 2 meters and 70 sems of course. It is both analog and digital, and there's a £40 saving on this transceiver. So take a look on our website. It's a great deal. Part exchange, welcome of course. The FTM 510. And finally, Yaesu's lovely handheld, the FT5D. A lovely handheld which is both, again, analogue and digital. And on this transceiver, you'll save £40. It's a great transceiver to carry around with you, keep in touch with all that's going on. The FT5D. Oh, and I should mention, there's some bundled deals on this transceiver. We're getting low on stock, but check it out. So what about the Yaesu FTX-1? Well, the latest news from Yaesu UK is it should arrive in the UK right at the beginning of July. So the American first batch arrived just in time for the Dayton Ham Bench, and as I think I suggested in an earlier video, the first UK supply is due to arrive right at the beginning of July, so not much longer to wait now. But we don't want to leave ICOM out of this. The ICOM IC705, that's been reduced by £300. Yes, a massive £300. I own one myself. It's a great transceiver. I did a video very recently on it. But if you're looking for the IC705, now's the time to buy with a £300 saving on it. So there we are. That's the update on prices this month. Some great deals there, and please get in touch if you've got any queries, you want to do a part exchange, or you've got some inquiries. We'd be quite happy to help you out there. And as I said right at the beginning of this video, we do offer some very rapid dispatch now, so normally you could expect to see your transceiver on the doorstep the following day you place the order. So get in touch and we'll be glad to help you out. In the meantime, thank you for your support on this channel. It's much appreciated. The figures are going up, which is nice because it means to say that we know that we're doing the right thing. And generally speaking, a lot of the videos are of a practical nature rather than sort of selling. But I thought I would bring you up to date on things and prices as we get to know them, and it's much easier to do it on video than it is on the printed page. I got Radcom today and I thought, gosh, if I had to make these announcements in Radcom, I'd have to do it bearing in mind that the news wouldn't break for another 3 or 4 weeks. So that's why we tend to use the video these days for making these announcements. In the meantime, you enjoy your ham radio, you take care, look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.